Welcome to the 7th episode of Secrets of Meditation, a guide for discovering the joys of meditation to achieve peace and calmness. Most of us hold the idea in our minds that meditation is all about sitting idle at one place and concentrating on a single thought or object. The purpose of including this video is to bring clarity on the different concepts of meditation, which people are practicing around the world. Through this video, you will know another exciting practice of meditation. The purpose of meditation is to bring peace and pleasure in your life. So walking with a mindful meditation can achieve the similar result to someone who meditates with a sitting posture. In this video episode, we will learn about the following topics. 1. Introduction to walking meditation. 2. How you will prepare for walking meditation. 3. Practicing walking meditation. Different communities are practicing meditation at a large scale nowadays. As meditation is a great source to relieve stress, people have invented varieties of meditation techniques. Slow walking meditation is one of the examples of such easygoing techniques. Introduction to slow walking meditation. Walking meditation has gained attractiveness after Buddhists' practices. Actually, they were dedicated people, who did not want to break their concentration even during their journey. For the fact that they had to travel to faraway places on foot, a sitting posture for meditation was not convenient sometimes. Walking meditation brings a message that one can get peace everywhere. You can meditate in different walking speed. However, we will concentrate on walking at a slow speed in our video discussion. The most important thing while starting this method is to slow down your pace while walking. Next, walking gently by placing your foot slowly on the ground. The technique here is to match the breaths with your steps. The purpose of carrying out this technique is bringing compatibility among inner physiological processes with focus while walking. How you will prepare for walking meditation. The first thing you need to do is to choose a flat ground to walk. Paths or routes with many ups and downs during walking will distract your attention. I would suggest a park, along the beach or canal. Before you start walking, stand still with both your feet close to each other. Don't start walking rapidly. You have to bring your concentration towards your body before starting to walk. Take deep breaths and try to feel different sensations of your body. This practice will help you to connect to yourself. Note your current feelings and emotions. Purpose of such awareness is not to try to change any of the states, rather to make you aware of your bodily sensations and spiritual state. Awareness is the first thing to take care of, if you want to bring a change in something. Practicing walking meditation. After you have done the preparation for walking meditation is to actually practice it. You will need to exhale and inhale your breath with every step. Managing your footsteps with your breathing cycle is the crux of the technique. Try to set a tempo for your footstep with your breath. When you are lifting your heel from the ground, this should be the time when you are inhaling the breath. When your foot is in the air, this should be the temporary period of breathing. And finally, when you place your foot on the ground, you should be exhaling the breath again. This may be a bit difficult in the start, and you may find it irritating. Experts highly recommended that taking short breaks between such meditation session and routine activities. The reason behind this is that your mind enters into a peaceful state during meditation. Give time to your mind to focus on peace and calmness, and steer away from the noise of this world. To make walking meditation simple, walk and breathe slowing at a pace which you are most comfortable. Do not get caught up by the techniques and lost the joy of meditation. Walking meditation is an effective method for busy people of today's society. We want to pursue a healthy lifestyle, but we complain we do not have enough time and not athletic enough to run or to join a Zumba class. Walking meditation is a perfect combination of a good workout and to get some peaceful time. I strongly encourage you to take a slow walk today and find peace and calmness. In the next video episode, we will discuss on another meditation technique which do not require you to walk. Please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the next video.